Here is a quick life hack recipe for you. How to make breakfast burritos at home that taste and look just like the ones you can buy at the fast food restaurants. First, you will need your Mission Carb Balance flour, keto-friendly, zero trans fat tortillas. So I lay down 2 tortillas, then I put on the bottom extra hot salsa, just a little bit of extra hot salsa. Then I added diced green chilies, and the main ingredient, warmed up breakfast bowl from meat lovers, potatoes, sausage, eggs, cheddar cheese, and bacon. After it's all done and on your plate, you can roll it in just in the shape of an envelope. Both sides, and then this sides. So you're making kind of like an envelope. I don't think it will work, so maybe just like a tortilla or a burrito. Just like a burrito. That will be the best, since that's how it will look like. This way it will look like just like the ones you buy at the fast food restaurants. And it tastes amazing too. If you like spicy, authentic Mexican food, that's how it's gonna taste like. You will have potatoes, sausage, eggs, cheddar cheese, and bacon, plus diced green chilies and extra hot salsa in your burritos. And it's gonna taste amazing. Bon appetit. Have a great day. Thanks for joining.